Harnessing the Power of Imagination. Unleash the Law of Assumption. Neville Goddard. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore life-changing concepts and philosophies that can transform your reality. In today's video, we dive into the captivating teachings of Neville Goddard and the power of imagination. Get ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery and learn how to unlock your true potential. Let's get started. Scene 1. The Power of Imagination. Before we delve into the intricacies of the law of assumption, let's understand the foundation upon which it is built, the power of imagination. As Neville Goddard put it, imagination is limitless, and it is what shapes our reality. Our imagination gives birth to our dreams, allowing us to create our desired future effortlessly. Scene 2. Understanding the law of assumption. Now, let's acquaint ourselves with the powerful concept Neville Goddard referred to as the law of assumption. According to this principle, we must assume the feeling of already having achieved our desired outcome. By mentally embodying this desired reality, we align ourselves with it energetically, making it far more likely to manifest in our physical world. Scene 3. The importance of visualization. Neville Goddard emphasized the importance of visualization, urging us to vividly picture and feel our desired future in our minds. By mentally constructing and living within the scenes that imply our wish has been fulfilled, we reshape our subconscious, paving the way for our dreams to materialize. Scene 4. Revisiting past conditioning. To effectively utilize the law of assumption, we need to analyze and overcome any limiting beliefs or conditioning that may hinder our progress. Neville Goddard taught us to question societal expectations and conventional wisdom, empowering us to create our own definitions of success and live life on our own terms. 5. Falling in love with your dreams. Neville Goddard urged us to cultivate a deep sense of faith and love for our desires. Just as we fall in love with others, we must fall in love with our dreams and desires. By nurturing a profound emotional connection to our goals, we enhance their manifesting power and attract them effortlessly into our lives. Scene 6. Practicing persistence and gratitude. The journey of manifestation requires persistence and gratitude. Neville Goddard reminded us to remain steadfast in our faith, even in the face of challenges, and maintain a sense of gratitude for both the small and significant manifestations along the way. These qualities not only keep us in alignment with our desires, but also accelerate the speed at which they materialize. Scene 7. Embracing the miraculous. Lastly, Neville Goddard encouraged us to embrace the miraculous. He believed that once we truly grasp the power of our imagination and the law of assumption, we tap into a force that can defy all odds and bring forth the seemingly impossible. By surrendering control and opening ourselves up to the limitless possibilities of the universe, we step into our true power. As we conclude this exhilarating exploration into the teachings of Neville Goddard, we hope you've gained a deeper understanding of the power of imagination and the law of assumption. Remember, you hold the keys to manifest the life of your dreams. Embrace your imagination, practice the law of assumption, and step into the role of the conscious creator you are destined to be. Until next time, keep manifesting your desires and transforming your reality. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content. Share your experiences with the law of assumption and your thoughts on Neville Goddard in the comments below. Remember, the power is within you, and your dreams are waiting to be realized. Keep manifesting,